YouTube, what's poppin'? You know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell to ring, man. It's your boy Car Reviews about KJ, man. We back at it again with another video. Hey, man, today we're gonna fix this car, man. I'm sick of this. It's been about a week. I've been without my Mustang, and I'm sad. We gotta get this thing fixed. So pretty much, I think what I did, I'm cleaning this up. You can see how it's kind of coming off right here. So I still had some it's not focused. Still had some gasket material left over. So I'm just scraping it off with the scrapey scrape here. See if we can get that thing fixed. You can see right here where it was kind of wet. It's getting a little wet down here. I'm also put some RTV in between it. So that way I can get that thing sealed up. Get a good nice seal on it so we can stop leaking. Because what's happening right now is these lines right here, the coolant lines that's going in between the EGR, it's dropping down and it's going inside my throttle and also going inside my intake and coming out the exhaust. And we can't have that. That's a no-no. Got me blowing white smoke out the back and everything. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing fixed up. And also I'm gonna go pick up my cousin from the airport today. I'm pick him up in the Buick because I don't think the Mustang gonna be ready at this time. Pick him up in the Buick, let him see what that supercharger hitting on and get his reaction, man. We're gonna get a good reaction. We also gonna get some good footage for y'all, some good content. But yeah, like I said, I gotta pick him up in about an hour. I'm trying to fix this car, see if I can get it fixed. And then we'll be back and let you know if I got it fixed before I go to the airport. But we're still gonna head to the airport, pick him up, get his reaction in the car. All right, pop. All right, guys, it's a new day. I did get it running, but I didn't get a chance to shoot the video of my cousin. But I didn't do no speed, nothing like that. So once we get him settled in and everything, then I can take him out in the Buick and get a good reaction. So I didn't get the airport footage, sorry about that. But I did get the Mustang running, I did get it put together. Check it out. It's looking a lot nicer under the hood. Once I get these valve cover replaced, and yeah, we be in the game. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. So it ain't really got no coolant in it. I put a little bit of coolant that I had left, and I did get a new battery too. So under the engine bay, you know, good lighting way, man. The engine bay becoming pretty decent, man, for 1987, you know. All right, I'm gonna crank it up. Starting right up. See this getting sucked in because I need to put some, it ain't no fluid in there, but I'm not planning on running it that long, so wanted to show y'all it is back up and running. Yeah. It's idling good, it's not cutting out. I still need to take it out for a spin, but we are back up and running, man. I'm real happy about that. I was getting a little discouraged, man. I was like, dang, man, I want my baby running. I'm trying to drive it, man. I can't even drive it to work. Can't even take it out for a spin on the weekend. But now we can go to these like cars and coffees and stuff like that. Actually go to some meets, get some good footage of these cars out here in San Diego. I know it's a lot of expensive cars out here, so this would be, I can have a lot more content coming. But yeah, man, one last look at it, at the engine bay here. Man, check it out. That polish coming along. I need to get that. I'm gonna go ahead and get an EGR spacer, I think, man. That's what's only thing holding the back. EGR spacer, clean up the intake a little bit, and then give me some valve covers. Once I get the valve covers, I think everything else look pretty good. I might do some touch-up paint along that back wall and everything. That's really all I need, man. I already polished the car. I got a video on that. See, you can't tell. It looked dusty. I mean, it looked good here, but it's actually dusty. Yeah, man. Everything coming along. So I wasn't gonna put the channel on the back, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the channel on the back. Cause I always get a lot of people riding next to me like, hey man, nice car, thumbs up. Let me go ahead and put that YouTube channel right there with that vinyl. YouTube Car Views by KJ. So they ain't got no questions. No questions to be asked. Already got it up here. And I'm gonna put the Instagram sticker. So follow me on Instagram if you're not following me on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There we go. I'm representing everywhere I go. I got my own shirt and everything. So yeah, man. It's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna end it off like this, man. All right, see y'all on the next one.